Hello everyone. What I'm about to show you is how to replace the battery of this Toshiba laptop, which is a satellite E55t-A5320 series. It's very simple. You begin by taking off the back of the battery cover. First of all, I'll show you the new battery that we're going to replace it with. Okay. We begin by taking off the battery cover by removing all of the screws that are on the back of the cover. Each screw has to be removed. Now, this particular model does not have a CD-ROM drive, so there won't be a screw holding in the CD-ROM drive. I've already removed the screws, as you can see, but once the screws have been removed, the battery cover can be taken off very easily by cracking the edges, simply by placing a thin piece of screwdriver edge, cracking it a little bit, and taking it off. Be very careful and take it off as carefully as you can, just by cracking around the edges. Once the cover has been removed, the battery is being held by 4 additional screws. One here, and one here. And there may also be another one, so there may be a total of 4. Once these screws have been removed, the battery can be removed, but first you must disengage the battery connector, which is right here. This can simply be done by removing it with a very careful pull. That comes out, the battery comes out, the new battery is ready to be removed, replaced back. The battery might have a protective covering. You want to remove it. This is the new battery. You want to replace it exactly where the old one was, lining up the holes as such. Then you can replace the power cord, the power connector, which simply plugs in. Don't force it, but just push it very gently. Okay, make it as snug as possible. Okay, once it's in, there may also be a piece of tape that holds the cord into place. This one is a little stubborn, but we'll give it a little bit more of a connection there. Okay, there you go. Take the connector down so that it won't easily pop out. Then we'll replace the screws as such. Once all the screws have been replaced for holding in the battery, the cover can be replaced, snapped back into place, and then you can replace all of the cover screws as such. That's all. Very easily. Thank you.